Well, so I ordered a laptop from Unclaimed baggage. Yep, just like the name says. Folks, when they get off their plane, I guess they don't do the keys, phone, bag, and all that double check. They're the ones that get up first when you stop. You know those folks. Get up first when the plane stop and trying to get off the plane. Yeah, and they leave laptops, they leave purses, they leave all this crazy stuff behind. So one of my friends, she ordered a laptop for her son, and she said that thing worked good and all of that. And I said, shoot, let me look into it too, because really, y'all, I don't really need to spend a lot of money on a laptop because I only use it for, simple stuff, office stuff, home office stuff. So I don't need nothing fancy. So I was in Best Buy, and all those laptops in there, oh my gosh, they were like, I'm trying to think the last time I bought a laptop, I don't think I spent any more than, I don't know, $250, something like that. And it lasted a while. It did, but it was just so slow. It was a Lenovo, and it was on this last leg, man. Every time I use it, I want to just throw it. But anyways, not to make this video long, I was looking for a computer around similar price, and I couldn't really find too many, to be honest. The computers are just a lot now. I thought they would be lower, but no. So I got on Unclaimed Baggage, and I got me a HP. So I'm opening the box for the first time. Let's see. So far, looks like it's wrapped up pretty good. Okay, so let me pull it out. Oop. Got my charger, as you can see. Bubble wrap, so wrapped pretty good. Alright. I'm trying to hold it with one hand, y'all. Sorry. And I mean, they got it bubble wrapped, which it should be, right? For a computer. I know, I'm trying to do one hand. Okay, so far it looks like what I expect. I didn't want nothing too big. It's actually smaller than my previous laptop. And this is a HP brand. So it's my first time having HP. And y'all, yeah, I want to get into the price. The price was $128. Yes, so I'm getting ready to power it on with my other hand. And I'll put it in the comments below how it works and all of that. So, got it powered on. And everything so far works pretty good. I'm getting ready to hook it up to my Wi-Fi. They wiped everything off, which is to be expected. So, that's good too. I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi and go ahead and get started. So far, so good. Just from starting up and trying it out. I was able to log in, and I'm going to set up my password and all that type of stuff like I do with any other computer. So far, so good. I don't know how the battery's going to do. I got it charged up now. I don't know if it's going to be one of those laptops where the battery may not last long. That I don't know, but based on the description, I think it said like 80% battery power, something like that. So when you go on Unclaimed Baggage, you can look and see what type of condition it's in, like if it's fair, like new, and then it will also tell you the battery power percentage too. So far so good. So I say if you're looking for a cheap laptop, bargain laptop, and if it works and do what you need to do, hey, look on Unclaimed Baggage.